Hello students, welcome, and in this video we will discuss IELTS reading question types. This is part 3. So the sixth part is table. You will be given a table. Basically there will be a blank and you will have to fill the correct option. In the table or in the table chart, it is important that you locate the information by finding the keywords. So let's say it's a table, right? And it has year, let's say crop. So the essay is about farming. So let's say year 1990 and then 2000 and 2010. Okay. So let's say in the year 1990, in the passage itself is given that wheat was grown. Now there will be a blank and then there will be another blank. Okay. So you have to find where in the passage the year 2000 is given so that you can find what crop was sown. And similar, like in the year 2010, what crop was sown. So kind of like this. So you'll have to find the keyword. Here the keyword is the year. Okay. So let's look at an example for tables. So the question states, complete the table below. Write no more than 3 words or a number. First column says aspect. Okay. Then on that column is about location, effect on the sky, human emotions, and next step. Next column is details. You have a blank. The night sky is illuminated by the light of dash suns, filled with a sense of dash and dash, and the stars above inspire us to dash dash and dash. Okay, so let's look at the keyword here. Keyword here is, or the key sentence here is, the night sky is illuminated by the light of dash suns. Okay, we just have to look above, find the first fill in blank. Okay, so if we look at our paragraph, we'll see on section 4, as we stand on the shores of our tiny blue planet, gazing up at the night sky, ablaze with the light of billion suns. So that answers your second fill in the blank. That is billion suns. If you look at just at the top, the column states the first fill in the blank is about location. Find the location. What would be the location? Location stands for a place. Okay. So in this statement we have blue planet. Okay. So the answer for first would be blue planet. Okay. Now let's look at the third one, human emotions. So this is talking about an emotion. So what are human emotions? Happiness, sad, laughter, cheer, crying. So these are all human emotions. So the keyword here is human emotions, filled with a sense of dash and dash. So we have to find an emotion here. We are filled with a sense of wonder and awe. Wonder and awe. So that is the answer for your third. Filled with a sense of dash and dashes, wonder and awe. So the fourth is next step. The stars above inspire us to dash, dash and dash. So the keyword here is inspire. So if we move forward, we'll see the twinkling stars above beckon us, synonym for inspire, to explore, discover and to reach. So the answer should be to explore, discover and reach. Okay. So this is how you answer the table chart. Okay. The next type is flow chart. In flow chart, the information flows in a sequence. So let's say it is kind of like steps. How do you do certain activities? For example, let's say preparation for cakes. So how do you make a cake? You first find ingredients, then the arrow comes in, you mix them in the right proportion and then you bake it. This is just a simple flow chart how to bake a cake. Okay, so in the question what will happen, you will have something like this. You'll have a blank, okay, and you have to fill the next step. Okay, so if you look at the question, it states Complete the flowchart below. Write no more than 3 words. Okay. So we look at question 1. Okay. We'll see galaxies dash in majestic spirals. Here it states in the boundless expanse of the cosmos, galaxies swirl. So the answer should be swirl. Okay. For first. Now the next one is nebulae dash with ethereal beauty, and nebulae glow with ethereal beauty. So the answer is glow. Okay. Symphony of dash bodies dances to the rhythm. A symphony of celestial bodies dances to the rhythm. Silent rhythm. So the answer should be celestial. Okay. Now the last one is each corner holds a dash waiting to be told. From the fiery infernos of the newborn stars to the icy depths of distant planet, each corner of this cosmic tapestry holds a story waiting to be told. Okay, the answer should be story. So this was flow chart. The last is summary completion. In summary completion, it is basically like filling the blanks, but you will be given options and you will have to choose the correct option. Okay. Also in summary completion, you will have instructions sometimes where you have to fill the correct letter. So the instruction might say fill the correct letter from A to I. So you have to write the correct letter corresponding to the alphabet. Okay, we'll take a look at the examples and we'll understand them further. Okay, the instructions are complete the summary using the list of words A to E. List of words A to E below. Write the correct letter. So you have to write the correct letter in boxes on your answer sheet. Okay. The word cosmic corresponds with the alphabet A. B. Fires. C. Symphony. D. Unraveled. And E. Rhythm. Okay. So the question is celestial bodies are harmonious dash, okay, performing a silent dance in sync with dash the cosmos. So section 1 states a symphony of celestial bodies dances to the silent rhythm of the universe. Celestial bodies are a harmonious what? Symphony. So this is just paraphrasing the statement. Okay, performing a silent dance in sync with the dash of the cosmos. So we'll have to find a symphony of celestial bodies dance to the silent rhythm. So the answer should be rhythm. Okay, of the cosmos, spanning from the raging dash that birth new stars to the frozen distant realms of faraway planets. Every corner of the grand dash tapestry conceals untold narratives and unsolved enigmas yearning to be dash. Okay, so spanning from the raging, from the fiery infernos of the newborn stars. Okay, so the answer should be fires. B. Okay, so the answer should be B. That births new star to the frozen. Frozen is okay. This is talking about icy depths. Okay, every corner of this grand dash, each corner of this cosmic tapestry. So answer for fourth should be A. Okay, and the last one is conceals untold narratives and unsolved enigmas yearning to be told, yearning to be unraveled. Okay, so the answer should be D, unraveled. Okay, so this was summary completion. So in this video we talked about tables, flowchart and summary completion. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button